Welcome into the era of AI. Hello and welcome in this lecture in which we're going to define what tokens are. So the simple definition is in large language models, tokens are pieces of texts like words or punctuation that the model uses to understand and respond to what you write. So there are pieces of text like words or punctuation that a model uses to understand and respond to what you write. And so here I have a website. It's called the Tokenizer by OpenAI. Let's go ahead and explore tokens in action. So here, all you need to do in this website, which I leave it in the resources of the lecture. So just go to the resources, click, you'll go to this link. And in here, the Tokenizer, just enter some text. So for example, here, I can click show examples so that they can show us some examples. So they have written some text here. It says many words map to one token, but some don't. Indivisible. Unicode characters like emojis. All right, so that's just dummy text over there. And here you can see that this text is 57 tokens and 252 characters. And you can see how they calculate the tokens here. And I can remove this text by clicking clear, and I can add something. So let's add maybe Chat GPT. So for Chat GPT, it is 3 tokens. So the first word was chat. It was considered as 1 token. Then the G was considered as a token. Then the P was considered as a token. And the T was considered as a token as well. The entirety is 7 characters. And if we try to maybe separate it into Chat GPT, adding a space even adds a character but doesn't add a token because it will be considered with the G. So this is just, of course, a definition. And I hope that you understand right now what tokens are and how they're calculated. Now, tokens vary for different LLM models. So for GPT 3.5, which is the free version of ChatGPT, we'll come to it. The tokens processed and utilized are 175 billion. GPT-4 have not explicitly stated, but GPT-4 is designed to be much more efficient. So you can expect it to be a lot more tokens processed than GPT 3.5. Claude as well, not publicly stated. Then we have Facebook's Llama. They offer various sizes, and with the largest being 65 billion. So you can see that it is pretty much lesser even than GPT 3.5, which is just the free version of ChatGPT. So even with that, they cannot compete quite well. Then Gemini, they have not specifically disclosed. And to be honest, they are the best when it comes to tokens processed at the moment, if you go and do some checking. So right now that we've introduced you to all of these definitions, in the next lecture, we're going to basically introduce you to ChatGPT, starting by many definitions, and we hope that you will enjoy it. Stay tuned for it. Passive Income Jenny is wishing you the best and signing out.